Close your eyes. Inhale deeply through your nose. Hold for 3 seconds. And exhale slowly through your mouth. Feel all the tension in your shoulders and chest melt away. Notice how we are releasing the urge to wonder when or how they will reach out. You are stepping out of anxiety and into absolute certainty. Feel your heart center glowing with a warm magnetic light. You are no longer waiting for love. You are the energy they crave. Now let these words sink into every cell of your being. I am irresistible. I am unforgettable. I am irreplaceable. My energy occupies their mind with warmth and deep affection. They feel a rising urge to protect, hold, and fully claim me. Distance only strengthens their desire to draw closer. I am their priority. I am their peace. I am their home. They recognize my worth and are taking clear action now. Our bond is grounded in devotion and truth. I am irresistible. I am unforgettable. I am irreplaceable. My energy occupies their mind with warmth and deep affection. They feel a rising urge to protect, hold, and fully claim me. Distance only strengthens their desire to draw closer. I am their priority. I am their peace. I am their home. They recognize my worth and are taking clear action now. Our bond is grounded in devotion and truth. It is done. Feel the shift completed inside your spirit. The heavy energy of seeking is gone, replaced by unwavering self-worth. They feel this exact frequency in their heart right now. A sudden, deep need to make you theirs completely. Slowly bring your awareness back to your surroundings. Wiggle your fingers. Stretch softly. And open your eyes. To anchor this frequency into your reality right now, take a deep breath, go down to the comments and type, I am chosen, claimed, and adored. By typing it now, you seal this intention into your subconscious. And if you are wanting to manifest love and you are wanting to manifest your dream relationship, your dream person, you should definitely get my free obsession spell to align your intention and manifest them even faster. My free obsession spell is scary powerful, and you can get it or one of my many other spells to align your intention and manifest them even faster. Thousands of people have done my spells and they have had success. People have manifested a specific person, their ex, getting out of no contact, a crush, even celebrity crushes. People have manifested proposals, pregnancies, and marriage. So go get one of my love spells. If you really want to harness this energy and you want to make sure that everything is in alignment, you need to get one of my love spells now. The link for my love spells are down below in the description box, or you can head to joybyjanell.com and get it now. Until next time, bye my loves. I will see you in the next meditation.